We will now traction in your neck. Are you ready?
No!
Breathe out.
Oh!
Okay.
Yeah! Please like the video and subscribe the channel. I like you!
Really?
Really?
Chiropractor Vitaly Kazakevich.
Let's start. I will do an inspection. Does it hurt? No.
Little bit.
Okay. Nervus medialis. Painful. Very painful. Oh. Does it? Does it hurt?
Little bit.
Trigger point. And this. Turn around. Lay down. Open the mouth. Okay. Close. Does it hurt? Very painful?
Very.
Oh. What's happened?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I just danced.
Dancing. Are you teacher?
Yeah, teacher.
What kinds you dance?
Sport dance.
Sport. Okay, relax. Okay. Turn around. Scoliosis. Very strong muscle. Does it hurt?
Yeah.
Yeah. On right leg.
No.
Your right leg is bigger. Okay, very good.
Oh!
Yo.
Very.
sorry. Whoa, wow, big problem. Oh.
Yeah.
Hurt? Relax. Relax. Oh, yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Oh!
Yes. Okay.
Yes, I'm fine.
Very well. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Yes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Yes.
Oh!
It's your problem. Big problem. No problem for me. Trust me?
Yes.
Very well. Let's start. Go.
Oh, it's perfect.
5. Are you okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. This is old injury.
Really?
Yes,
What happened?
I don't know. Relax, relax. Are you scared?
Yeah.
Relax. Okay. Relax. Be patient, be patient. Relax. Relax.
It's painful.
Sorry, sorry, be patient. Okay. Sorry. One more. Are you scared?
Yeah.
One more, one more.
Oh!
Yes.
I'm fine.
Fine, fine. Okay. Be patient. Be patient. It's my job. 1, 2, 3. Relax. It's all. Be patient, be patient. Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let's start.
Let's start.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. One more. Breathe out. Okay. Relax. 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 One, 2, 3. Does it hurt? Strong muscle, strong. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Don't worry. Be happy.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. No, no, no. Police, help me. Help me.
Oh, it's relaxed.
Now we will be cracking your neck. Are you ready?
No!
Are you ready? Relax. Relax. Okay. One more. Relax.
Oh, it,
Does it hurt? Relax.
oh!
Yes. Oh, little bit. Okay.
Okay.
I leave. Yes. Very well. Turn around your head. Relax. Are you okay?
Okay.
Little massage. Oh. Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Very well. Relax. Relax. One, two, three. Are you scared?
No.
Oh, very well. Relax.
Oh.
Yes. Huh? Heavy?
I'm okay.
Very well. Very well. Turn around on your back. Relax. Close your eyes. And meditation. Play relax music. Can you sleep? One, two, three. Relax.
Oh.
Are you okay? I hear this.
I'm okay.
Yes, I'm fine. Be patient, be patient. Osteopathic. Are you okay?
Okay.
Relax, relax, relax. Yes.
I'm scared.
I hear this. Like? Oh, immediately soft muscle became. Alright? Very well, very good girl. Yes?
Yes.
No, good chiropractor.
Okay.
Okay.
Chiropractor Vitaly Kazakiewicz.
Thank you very much. And
And I don't feel pain back.
ciao bambino. See you in the next video. Like it, like. And
Subscribe.
take. Subscribe.